Today's video is going to be a little bit more about psychology. Psychology in trading is very important. As you probably already know, if you haven't watched my prior video, which I'll put up right here, this video talks about trading psychology, and it talks about, it talks about this book by Mark Douglas, Trading the Zone. Great book. I'm not going to go into detail on it. I did already in the last video. But essentially, trading psychology is very essential. Essential, whatever. Trading psychology is important. It's more important than your strategy. It's the most important thing in your trading. If you don't have a good mindset in trading, sorry, I keep looking over here, I'm in a trade, but if you don't have a good mindset for trading, even if you have the best strategy in the world, you're going to end up overtrading, revenge trading, just blowing your fucking accounts, and it's like a cycle. It just repeats and repeats and repeats, and if you never get out of the cycle, then obviously you're stuck in the same place and you just end up losing money. But yeah, bro, I mean, the most important thing for me was understanding to be patient with your trades. You have to be patient, like waiting for a specific setup, waiting for your, I guess, parameters to, or your metrics to be met in order for you to take a trade. I would trade before, like, as soon as market opened, I was fiending for a trade. I'm like, I need to make a trade. That is not the case, guys. That is not the case. If your setup is not there, do not trade. And this is very hard to understand as you're starting to trade, because you're very excited about learning. You're excited to apply the concepts you're learning in real time. But there's something for that. It's called back testing. That's where you can apply what you're learning. You don't have to apply it on the live markets if you're not confident yet. And confidence is also another big thing in trading. If you're not confident in trading, you're going to hesitate to take your trades. Like, let's say your setup is there. You might hesitate to take these trades even though your setup is right there. That's exactly what you should be taking. But if you don't back test, you don't gain confidence in your model to know that it works or doesn't work, right? So you have to back test. You have to gain confidence in your model and knowing that it works, so that when you see the setup actually play out on the charts, you take that setup and you're like, okay, I'm confident in the setup. I can let my stop loss hit. I can let my TP hit. I'm confident in this trade. Because I'll tell you, the number one thing that leads to, I guess, FOMO trading or revenge trading is when you see your setup and you don't take it because you hesitated. You either one, FOMO trade and enter the trade like way higher up or lower than what you should have entered, and you end up getting a retracement which hits your stop loss, which wouldn't have been the proper stop loss if you took the trade in the first place. It all goes down to confidence. But yeah, psychology is a huge thing in trading. It's really not that difficult. Everyone makes it seem way more complicated than it is. What I would tell you is be a man of your word. If you're going to do something, if you say you're going to do something, fucking do it. That's as simple as it is. If you say you're going to do something and you don't do it, then you're a fucking bitch. Then you can't trade. Then you're not a man of your word. Honestly, you're not even a fucking man. So, for me, what I understood is if I break my rules, not only am I preventing myself from making money, but I'm also disrespecting myself. If I say I'm going to do something and I can't do it, how disrespectful is that to myself? You need to learn that if you say you do something, you're going to do it. Not just in trading, but in everything else in life. Like in the morning, let's say the day before you were going to wake up, you're like, oh, I'm going to wake up at this time. And you wake up and you're lousy, like you're slacking, you're tired, and you don't want to wake up, and you're like, oh, maybe 5 more minutes. Stop that shit. As soon as you wake up, kick the fucking sheets, get up, do what you say you're going to do. And it's those little things like that that help you instill discipline in trading and everything else in life. For me, I needed to set myself up with a routine every single day that I would be like, I would wake up every day at 6 a.m. Every day at 6. Do I still do it? No. But this is what allowed me to actually fix my discipline. I wake up every day at 6 a.m. If I wanted to or didn't want to, I still woke up. It didn't matter. I needed to wake up. I needed to go to the sauna, steam room, hit the gym, then come back to trade. Every fucking day. And after a consistent, good amount of time of doing this for like 2-3 months, that's when I'm like, okay, my discipline's very good. I'm doing this every day. Even though I don't want to do it, I'm doing it every day. And it's reflecting on trading. I'm being disciplined in trading every single day. So find something that you need to do every single day, whether it be going to the gym, waking up earlier, making breakfast earlier, going to sleep earlier, and do it every single day. Every single day. This is going to create a routine in your mind and something that you cannot break. Meaning, if you set yourself to go to sleep at a certain time every day, then it happens every day. There's no excuses. No excuses at all. Every fucking day. Unless you're on vacation or something, every day you must follow this routine, follow this schedule, or else guess what's going to happen? If you break it, you become comfortable breaking it. And when you go to trade and you have your rules, you become comfortable breaking your rules then. So set a routine, set a schedule, set a set of rules in daily life and in trading as well. What's the other thing I want to talk to you guys about? Losses. Okay, so when you're trading, you have to understand that losses are gonna happen. They are a part of trading. They are like not avoidable. You cannot avoid a loss. It's gonna happen. One way or another, you're gonna take a loss. Now, getting upset about a loss is not something that should occur, right? When you're trading in terms of statistics or probabilities. Your edge just means you have a higher probability of your trade actually playing out when you use your edge. That's all it means. It does not mean your trade is going to play out every single time. It's just a probability, okay? So when you take a loss, it's just a part of the statistic. It's a part of the probability. The only time you should be upset about a loss is if you broke a rule and you didn't follow your plan, which led to a loss. If you took a loss like that, 100%. Beat yourself up over it. 100%. I'm not going to sit here and tell you, oh, it's okay. It's not fucking okay. You have to learn from your fucking mistakes. Every time, you have to learn from your mistakes. So, number one, read the book. I'll put the video again right here. Read the book, Trading the Zone. It's going to fix your mentality. Number two, instill a schedule or a routine in your daily life that doesn't have to do with trading. Like wake up early or go to the gym or go to sleep early. Whatever it is, do something that needs discipline every single day. That's what you need to do every single day. Instill something that allows you to be disciplined. Number two, stack small wins in your day. Like make your bed, brush your teeth, do your homework. I don't know, like do shit that is a small win in your day so that you're consistently winning, right? You want to consistently be winning. The more you win in small things, the more it helps your mentality. Like, how do I explain it? Be like a winning mentality all the time. So stack your wins for your day, no matter how small they are. Wins always stack up. It adds to becoming more confident in your life. Walk with purpose. Walk with confidence. Think like you're fucking him. I don't know. Like, help yourself become more confident. Do things that will uplift you more. If you're a depressed ass kid and you're like, oh, we're gonna trade today, you're never gonna fucking be successful, bro. Like, you need to be confident. You need to know what you're doing. You need to be successful. You need to think that you're successful already. Even though you're not at the place that you want to be, act like that. Think, how would the millionaire version of myself respond? How would the millionaire version of myself act? How would you act if you were a millionaire? And follow those steps. It's like how do I explain it? It's kind of like a step-by-step, but it's reversed. So you're like, okay, this is millionaire version me. This is me version right now. If I was this guy, what would I be doing? Okay, he's doing this, this, and this. Okay, so if I start doing this, this, and this, I'm more similar to him than what I am right now. So you're going to start acting like the millionaire version of yourself. And you know what you need to do to be more successful. Everybody knows. You just don't act on it because you're lazy or you're not confident in, for whatever reasons, bro. Like, you know what you have to do. Do it. You know you want to look better. Go to the gym. You know you want to also look better. Eat healthier. You know you want a girlfriend. Talk to people. Be more confident. Be more charming. Do the things you need to do to improve yourself as a person. Because everything outside of the charts reflects on the charts. And you've probably heard that, but it's true. Everything outside of the charts reflects on the charts. You're doing shit outside of the charts, maybe you don't trade. You're probably going to do shits on the chart as well. So your daily life reflects on your chart life, okay? That's all I want to tell you guys about psychology. Take it serious, bro. Like, if you're in a bad mindset, you're in a bad headspace, don't trade. It's not for you. Improve your headspace first before you decide to take on trading. It takes a very big toll on your mental as a trader, because when you're learning, you're going to take a lot of fucking losses, like a lot of losses, and they're just compound and compound and compound. It makes you feel like shit. But when you're actually locked in and your mind, your headspace is in the right place, it's the best thing ever. But you're only going to get there if you improve yourself in every other aspect. Yeah, that's it for this episode, guys. I'll post another video talking about other confluences real soon. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, drop a comment what you guys want to see next, subscribe, and yeah, make sure to join the Discord. It's 100% free. I live trade every single day at 9:30 a.m. Eastern for everyone in the Discord. The link is down below. We're on a crazy streak right now. This month is green as fuck. And yeah, we're currently in a swing trade right now. Oh shit, it went down a lot actually. But damn, we were up 40%. We're currently up 20% right now. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, but we're up 22%. We were up 40%, but it's all good. Part of the plan. You got to stay disciplined, stay patient, stick to your plan, and be fucking confident, boys. Be confident. Be confident. Stop thinking that you're a bitch. Think that you're him. Lock in, boys. Lock in.